Welcome to Breathwork today, and welcome to Goa. I'm standing just outside where I'm staying, a beautiful little house on the outskirts of a sweet little village close to Adambul, North Goa. And today, the breathing technique for us to explore is walking and counting our steps. We inhale for a count of 5. Each count is a step. And then we exhale for a count of 5. Each count is a step. Taking a moment before we begin, making sure that you're barefooted, so you're really connecting to Mother Earth, feeling the sensation of your soles of your feet touching the earth, receiving telluric energy, receiving the energy from the earth, nourishing, supporting and grounding energy. Take a deep breath in. Feel that connection to the earth. Exhaling. And then we're going to inhale for 5 steps. So inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting. Inhale. Exhale. And keep going. Counting, stepping, and breathing for a count of 5. And you can just keep walking in one straight line. Walking around the park, walking on the beach, and see how you feel.